Open day, Indiana. Kent, first bird today, baby. I hope so.
We're hoping for one. Right out of the box.
Guide Bobby. We'll take care of it. We got blinds set up in the back. We got blinds set up in the front. We got 80 acres of woods. Let's go after it. Cheers, brother.
Cheers to a great day.
Here we are, Triple B Farms, opening day of Indiana on Wednesday the 24th. And my buddy Kent killed his first Indiana bird this morning.
First Indiana bird,
right?
Yeah, very exciting.
We're going back out this evening, but we got time to do a little celebratory bourbon drinking. So,
absolutely.
Let's talk about this morning.
Yeah, it was a great morning. A little cool, a lot of wet out there because you had some rain last night.
Yeah.
Birds didn't say much till just right about light.
Waiting for first gobble. Figure out what direction we're gonna go. Give it up. Here's the clover plot. Got a blind that I lean to. We got one in the back. Down that trail. All right, we're set up. We'll see how this goes, but we got some decoys in the trail. He's gobbling that over the hill, so we'll see.
We walked back to the basically what we call the killing tree for deer season, right? Had a couple blinds set up back there. Put out a nice Jake and a nice hen decoy. Had two blinds. Bobby and I were in one, and you were in the other with the camera. Bobby and I were hoping to double up. Didn't work out that way, but we still had a great hunt.
Super fun though. Like,
yeah.
This was one of those deals. This is the first time we've had the camcorder out.
Yeah.
Had it on a tripod, one of those blinds. Actually, we can take a step back. Kent and I went out yesterday and put those blinds up. We've had birds in the back on cell cams pretty regular, so we figured if we weren't hearing them gobbling up in the field, we'd head back to the back, and that's exactly what we did.
Exactly.
Right?
Exactly right. So, we sat there, probably heard 12 gobbles or so prior to birds flying down. Then they flew down and shut up. Didn't hear another thing until about, 7:45 or so.
I was getting ready to lock in for a good nap.
Exactly, exactly right. I was saying, well, all right, first morning, good nap. Anyway, especially after getting up at 4:30 this morning. But anyway, so about 7:45, started hearing one gobble up towards the field, and also we heard one gobble from behind us. Right?
Yeah, we did.
Which was interesting. So we did a few calls, and they were answering back and forth to us. And sit there for, probably 15 minutes or so, about 15 minutes.
And here come the hen.
Here come the hen, yeah. She was not happy about those decoys. She was just giving them hell.
You'll see it on the video, but
yeah.
I mean, she was cutting and all in the decoys, just pissed off.
Absolutely. Sure.
And guess what that did?
Yeah, man, he was gobbling and he was on a rope, man. You couldn't have reeled him in with a fishing pole any better than he came in. I mean, he was just moving. Right?
Yep. Yeah. So, and I think we're going to show videos of this thing. Here it comes. He's coming up the trail. Two of them. Yep. But I videoed with the phone. I videoed with a camcorder. Bobby got it on his Tacticam. You had your Tacticam on, but it was a little below the ledge of the blind, so we didn't get much out of that one.
Didn't get much from there.
But we watched that bird. That gobbler came in, strutting for 6 minutes, probably
5-6 minutes, I'm guessing. Yeah, right around in there, and he was strutting around the decoy. He was strutting for that hen, and she just kind of messed around the area there, and
I only see one.
Bobby, you know, did a little bit of a hen call, and man, he gobbled great big. Got that on tape, which is great.
Yeah, super cool.
And finally, it was kind of a toss up there for a while between Bobby and I, who was going to get a chance to shoot the dang thing, because he kept getting behind this tree and I couldn't see him. So finally, he moved around the tree just enough, and I squeezed the old trigger with the old Remington 870 Wingmaster.
There you go.
3-inch turkey loads with an extra full turkey choke, and dropped him in his track.
Boom. Who did it? Yeah. Kent's first bird in Indiana. Wow. That was it. He didn't go anywhere.
No, he didn't.
The hen even came back here a little while. When he started calling again, you'll hear it on video, hoping to get one of those birds that was behind us. And literally, when that bird was coming from the front, you'll see it on the video where we're going, that another bird was behind us, and he had to have been within 30 or 40 yards behind us. Obviously, we were in a blind, so we couldn't see him, but like, I thought it was going to be a race to get to the decoys. He was coming in first, but that other one just hung out back there, watched his buddy strut around those decoys, and that was it.
That was it.
Lights out.
Lights out. Yeah.
So
we were hoping for another one, hoping to double up, but just didn't work out that way. But still, fantastic hunt. And I got to tell you, for my first Indiana bird, you know, at 60 years old, it's taken a while. But appreciate Bobby, appreciate Mark for making that happen for me. Celebrating my retirement.
Yes,
Yeah.
exactly. Cheers again to that, brother.
Cheers, brother.
Yeah,
Hey,
great hunt.
Great hunt.
We got 2 more birds that we got to track down. One for me, one for Bobby. And we're going to get that done starting this afternoon. So appreciate you watching.
Yep.
Kent just shot his first Indiana turkey. We're walking up to do the recovery. You want to talk about an excited man? Slow down there, killer. Oh, you killed old Longbeard. Oh yeah. He got some nice spurs. Look at the beard.
10 inches, 8 inches.
What do you think about that?
All right, we're going back out for the second half of the evening. We're going to go sit down the Chevy Trail. Kent and I is going to be running the camera, and Bobby and I are going to be hunting. And I don't have a damn hat on. Where's my fucking hat? All right, there's Bobby and there's Kent. Hey, we need to be quiet. Quiet.
Shut the fuck up. Can you be quiet?